Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. And these are our chives. I normally, from a planter like this, growing in really great density, I get between 3 to 5 pounds of chives off of this one planter. The objective is not to let them go to the head, but to constantly harvest them and have them grow back and back over and over and over again. And that's what we're doing with these. But because I went on vacation, they snuck up on me and they blossomed, and I'm so upset. But nevertheless, when I look at them, they're so beautiful. I've got to pick a couple of them for you so you can see it, okay? I hate to, but this is my food. This is torpedo pot. Who don't know? All you do is put your seeds or your plants in this planter, and it grows your food for you. I've had these chives in this planter now for about 3 years, and it just grows over and over again. So much so that I've really slowed down eating as much as I do, and so they don't grow as fast. Remember, in a torpedo pot, when you put your seeds in this planter, you never water, you never feed your plants, you only supplement. And it grows your food for you. It grows so much that the plants that you want and that have the proper life cycle can grow over, cut them down and use them, grow over, cut them down and use them, cut them down. And so if you catch them at the right season, they're taking off. And then you can just cut them and use them over again. But these are beautiful, beautiful flowers that are coming off, bulbs that are coming off of this thing, and they are absolutely stunning. I'm gonna share them with you, okay? Is that okay? Isn't that beautiful? Wow, man. I love that, dude. That's gorgeous. I love that. That is so beautiful. Man, that's gorgeous. I love it. I like torpedo pot. They grow my food. And so, for those who are into chives, well, it's a perfect opportunity to get your seeds. Wow. Mm. It's also a perfect opportunity to get some fresh food. Why not get your help from the source? Torpedo pot. All you do is put your seeds in, you put your plants in, it grows your food for you with no human intervention. You don't have to do anything. And man, this is strong. This is very, very strong. Oh my gosh, very, very strong. So, the objective with the torpedo pot is to have it grow your food for you. But listen very closely to what I'm about to say. Well, the objective is to grow food so you'll get the seeds and never have to buy another plant again in your life. Torpedo pot grows it so well that it provides a sustainable environment for growing food for the rest of your life. You don't have to do anything. You just grow your food, and it does it so well. And so it smells good. It looks healthy. No blemishes, no nothing, right? Isn't that beautiful? That's healthy. Wow, that's really healthy. No blemishes, dude. That's a perfect flower. Man, that's beautiful, dude. And every angle you look at, it's just absolutely stunning. No death, no decay. It's pure growth, man. Pure, pure growth. Nothing, no yellowing, no nothing. That's a perfect flower. That's a perfect flower. That's what's so good about torpedo pot. All you do is put your seeds in this planter, turn your knob, put your plants into the planter, and it grows your food for you. And it grows beautiful food like you've never seen before. All of the time. All of the time. I love it. I love my torpedo pot. And so, I will never, ever run out of food. And I get the most beautiful plants I've ever seen before. Not just to work with food, but flowers, whatever you put in a torpedo pot. It's designed to develop a sustainable microbial environment that allows your plants to grow like you've never seen before. So last year we got about 3 pounds from this planter. I don't know what we'll get this year, but I need to eat more of my salads, but I have so much food to choose from. I have kale that are about 6 feet tall. Unbelievable. Yes, growing in planters. Kale plants, 6 feet tall. Dude, I don't know where you're going to find something like that at. And I got so many other strawberries. I'm probably going to grow close to about 1,000 strawberries this year. Let's find out. Let's do it together, okay? Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Remember, put your seeds in your plants. You never water. You never feed. Put your seeds in your plants in the planter. You never water. You never feed. You only supplement. And they'll grow like you've never seen them grow before. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.